Welcome to the Beverly Hilton. It has always been our mission to create a memorable and safe experience for our valued guests. But now, we are taking safety to a whole new level, creating an environment you can trust. And it all begins right here. Our three-phased approach starts with the remover. Once the room has been fully cleared, the remover treats your room with an e-mist electrostatic sprayer, effectively cleansing all surfaces with sanitizing solution. Then, our housekeeping team moves in to clean the room using our environmentally friendly and EPA-approved cleaning and disinfecting solutions from Pathosands and hitting all the Hilton Clean Stay touch points. The room is made with sealed-in plastic, fresh towels and linens. Finally, there is Kennedy. Our lab-tested and proven pulsed UVC emitting robot from Xenex. Previously only found in hospitals, this germ-zapping robot is the final touch in providing you with a pathogen-free sanctuary. Kennedy zaps every inch prior to your arrival. Kennedy is the last one to leave your room. And with Kennedy looking out for you, you can rest assured you're sleeping in the safest room possible. Our dedication to your health and safety extends well beyond the sanctity of your room. The poolside Cabanas offer contactless ordering from your phone with our QR code. All common areas are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized throughout the day. Plus, we also offer an outdoor lounge area to provide a space to relax with plenty of fresh Southern California air. We welcome you back to visit us again soon and experience the highest level of luxury and cleanliness here at the legendary Beverly Hilton.